Hello from Slovenia again. Here, sorry. I have a little canvas and today I pull out my hair dryer again, thin down my paints that are left from my life on Sunday, and I decided that I will play with my hair dryer a little bit to maybe create some nice acrylic pour painting. And because I struggle quite a lot with the Dutch pour technique or blow dryer technique, I have problems with my consistency and blow paints out and a lot of things, so I will just blow this out a little bit just. Okay, and again, as I said, I don't really know if this will work for me, because I think that my paint is still too thick. I'm really struggling with thinning down my paint a lot. I have problems with all the techniques that you should use thinner consistency, so you know it's kind of a struggle, and I will just pour some paint here. This was ultramarine blue, and let's do some pearl white here too, just to maybe create some interest. And this is cobalt violet and Cadence gold, and turquoise, probably a lot of paint or even too much paint, I don't know, and I will just pour some white here because I want to cover these two before I will start blowing. So I really don't know what will happen, if this will work at all, but it's just that day, you know, that you want to try the techniques again that you are not comfortable with, or how can I say. So let's start. So maybe some of you can relate with me. Maybe some of you are struggling with Dutch pours too. I definitely do. I like this part, so maybe they like these colors here together. This part is really gorgeous, but other things not as much. So I don't like this big blob of gold here. Play with my finger a little bit. To embellish it where I really don't like it. This part that I messed around so much with it, it's just weird. Don't yell at me because of my finger painting. Almost throw my skewer into the painting, so this would not be good. and Dutch pours, but I tried again. One day I will do it right, I hope, but I don't know when. But I really like some effects that I got, so. But what is my opinion is that I had too much paint down there, and I have to still work on the how to move the hair dryer, but not so bad. I like some details. So here it is. This is the part that I really like here with that gold. I will try to go this way just a second. See? Beautiful lacing and lovely colors that I don't know. Wish that I would had only this. So hopefully you can see all those lovely lacing in here. This is definitely my favorite part. So I tried again. Still maybe just a little too much gold here. I will probably just blow a little bit here. You see this part, but it has lacing and everything, but still think that it's just a little too much. Maybe just if I blow this a little more. Maybe this is my problem, that I just do too much, try to do too much, just can't keep it simple. So I tried. I will play some more with Dutch pours, definitely will, and see you on the next one. Bye.